course, Riya Chakrabarti coming out. She's being taken for a medical examination. Riya Chakrabarti coming out. She will be taken, handing over to Athar and Pranesh.
Thank you, Navita. Big moment here. Riya Chakrabarti arrested. Result of the Times Now. Relentless investigation. The only channel that brought out the drug chats Athar, that Riya Chakrabarti had deleted. But I am really shocked. I am at a loss of words by the statement of Satish Mane Shinde, even as we stay on these first pictures. Riya Chakrabarti emerging out of the NCB office. She will be taken for a preliminary medical examination. And just see the body language. She comes out, looks to the people outside, waves a hand, gets in the car. Athar.
There you see live visuals coming in right now. Confirmation of what Times Now has broken earlier in the day. She's been arrested. She will be taken to a medical test now. She's in the car as we speak right now, surrounded by policemen, I beg your pardon, NCB officials who are escorting her to the hospital now, where she'll be taken for a medical test. Riya Chakrabarti has been arrested. There you see another angle, Pranesh, from a different camera angle here. As far as this is concerned, we'll go across to Bhavtosh Singh and Tamal Saha, who's also on the broadcast. Tamal, I believe Priyank Tripathi also on the broadcast. I believe you have Riya within your sights. Priyank, what's happening there? Tell us.
See, certainly, Athar, we just saw Riya Chakrabarti stepping out from the NCB office, and right now what we can see on this particular spot, which we are trying to bring you for the viewer, that this is the squad vehicle of Mumbai Police, and this will be the first vehicle which will move ahead. Then you have all those two, Moju would show you on the left-hand side. These are the vehicles in which NCB officials are there, and Riya Chakrabarti is sitting on the first vehicle, which is behind us. She's wearing a hoodie. She's not, attempting to show her face. She's sitting here in this particular vehicle, which is DL12CS0502. So that is a vehicle where Riya Chakrabarti is being taken into. If you look at into the visuals, Tamal, on the other side there is another vehicle of NCB officials, which will be leading after this escort vehicle, and Riya is being taken for the medical certificate. That is a big information which we are getting, and very soon on other.
Priyank, stay on. Tamal Saha also there. Tamal, what's happening at your end? Go ahead, you're on air.
The Riya Chakrabarti's convoy is now moving. That's the pilot car which is going. Riya Chakrabarti's vehicle is the second vehicle. There you see Riya Chakrabarti's vehicle which is moving now. Riya, you have been arrested. Anything? Okay. There you see Riya Chakrabarti. That's Riya Chakrabarti on our frame. You are watching it exclusively on Times Now. Riya, anything you want to say on your defense? Riya, anything you want to say on your defense? Riya, anything you want to say on your defense? Riya, you have been arrested. Riya, they have booked you. Anything you want to say on your defense, Riya? Riya, anything you want to say on your defense, Riya? Riya, anything you want to say on your defense? Riya, they have arrested you, Riya. It's drug transaction. Okay, there you see Riya Chakrabarti has been arrested, and we will be.
Catch your breath. Priyank also with us. Priyank, she's been taken for the medical checkup, and I believe after that, will she be produced before the magistrate?
No, but it's what we know, that she won't be taken today before the Metropolitan Magistrate. She can be taken, by tomorrow. But we attempted to ask question to Riya. She was not saying anything. She was wearing a hoodie, which she has been wearing these days since the time she has started coming to NCB to portray her picture, as she is a very strong individual. That is a strategy which has been opted by them. But Riya did not respond to that. Her head was down in the second vehicle of NCB, and the NCB officials have taken her to the medical. Back to you.
Right, stay on, Priyank. As Priyank was telling us right now, there could be later, it could come tomorrow as well. Our colleagues, of course, will be getting you live visuals of her car as she moves along to the hospital. Big development today. Pranesh, it was inevitable, many people said, especially after those chats that Times Now procured first. We broke the story first, and has happened today.
This was on the cards. This was coming. Siddhant Mishra also joining us. Yes, Siddhant.
Well, that's right. She has been taken to the Sion Hospital. We can put that out for our viewers. Along with her, there were other accused as well, those who have been taken. This has also been confirmed for now that NCB is not going to ask for a remand. This is what sources are suggesting to us. Now, this particular arrest today has taken place after three days of extensive interrogation. Yesterday, she confirmed the fact that she used to procure drugs for Sushant Singh Rajput, but today she confesses that even she used to consume herself also. She has also given couple of names to the agency, and she has told the agency that these names have been actively involved in supplying drugs to Bollywood personalities and B-Town parties. So that is going to be really interesting, and relying on her statement and several other accused, those who have been arrested, NCB has also prepared a dossier of the B-Town celebs and some big personalities, those who supply drugs. So all that things will happen in coming days, but at this point in time, the convoy of Mumbai police is taking Riya Chakrabarti to Sion Hospital from the Narcotics Control Bureau's office, and it was us who broke this story first, that she has been taken into custody, she has been arrested, and at 4:30 she'll be taken for a medical examination, and you see dot at 4:20 Riya Chakrabarti left the NCB office, and she is right now heading towards the Sion Hospital for the medical examination. So she has been taken into custody. Now, as far as remand is concerned, as per the order of the Metropolitan Judge, the remands are going to take place through video conferencing. So that is surely going to happen tomorrow. So for one night, she has to stay in the NCB custody at the NCB office where I am reporting from. After the medical examination, she will again be brought back to the NCB office. And tomorrow at around 11 a.m. or 12, she will be produced before the court through video conferencing. And as NCB is hinting that they are not going to take custody of Riya Chakrabarti, that is really significant. So mostly she'll be sent to the judicial custody, and then her advocate can apply for a bail in the court.
Bring in Priyank and Tamal once again. Priyank Tripathi, she's been taken to the hospital now, Sion Hospital. You're telling us what happens after that, Priyank?
See, Tamal, it will be a brief process of around 25 to 30 minutes. It might take some time for the NCB officials to take Riya Chakrabarti, because there are several media crews also which are following Riya Chakrabarti's car. One of the cars also hit among each other. They bumped into each other, and there was a minor, break on the bumper of one of the vehicle. But on the other side, if you talk about the legality, Riya Chakrabarti is being taken to the hospital where the NCB officials will be taking her medical legal certificate. This is a process which has to be followed in every 24 hours. And what we have got to know that these team of officials who are right now the senior officials who are camping at this NCB office.
Arrested Riya Athar is maligning Sushant, drug addict, mentally ill, defaming Sushant Singh Rajput is Riya's defense. Is this not travesty of justice? That's the big question, Athar. A short break. We return with more on the other side. This is the relentless coverage. It continues.
Keep watching.